Hi guys, welcome back. I'm so excited to share this salad with you today. It is so fresh and delicious. You are sure to love it. You will love this with any Indian dish, any Greek dish, just as a regular salad side dish for the summer. It is so flexible and so yummy for everybody. I like to use these little mini cucumbers to chop up into smaller pieces. And you can also use fresh English cucumbers because they're so crunchy and have that fresh sort of flavor and that essence. Any cucumber is fine though, whatever you prefer. So I'm chopping up quite a few of these because I have a bigger size family. But you can modify to your liking. So these are the perfect bite-sized pieces here. They work out great. Now this is optional, but I like to add about half of a red onion. I'd like to chop it up, mince it really, into smaller pieces. It adds a bit of flavor, a bit of color. The pops of color in the salad are super beautiful, and they just add a little something extra to the mixture. Okay, next I'm going to add about a tablespoon of garlic. Obviously the recipe will be in the description box below, but the garlic adds a little something extra too. You're going to add in your sour cream or just a plain Greek yogurt, whatever you prefer. This is a pretty flexible kind of recipe. And of course, add a pinch of salt. I like pink Himalayan sea salt, parsley. Parsley is lovely in this. Oh my gosh, it just adds so much. I love it. And of course, little splash of lemon juice. Get it in there, girl. Go. That's it. Awesome. All right, and now we mix and blend. I probably should have used a bigger bowl for this, but work with what you got. So like I said before, it is so flexible with how you want to use this. You can put it on sandwiches and wraps on top of burgers with so many different sides. Like, it's so flexible. It's just awesome that way. So it never fails us, I swear. All right, and now you can just throw it in the fridge and let it sit in all those flavors for a while, and you're ready to go. Enjoy, guys. Bye-bye.